Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new video for you guys, and in today's video it is a makeup tutorial, but it is super cool. I got a new twist for you guys, and I'm recreating one of my old makeup looks. And the look I'll be recreating is, well, the look that I've recreated is this one right here. So this look is all the way from October 2016, so it's been 4 years, or almost 4 years. And this is what it looks like today. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then please stay tuned and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so here I am, and my eyebrows are already filled in and my lids are primed, and I'm gonna show you guys the picture that I'm recreating, makeup look that I'm recreating. And here's another look at it here. So that's the look that I'm inspired by, and that's the look that I'm gonna be recreating. I'm actually gonna add some adjustments, like I want more of a cut crease and stuff like that, and probably change the lip, but we'll get to that when we get to that. My eyebrows, I used to fill them in a little bit bolder than I do these days. So I tried to go a little bit heavier with my eyebrows. I don't know how it's coming off on camera. On my viewfinder, it looks super filled in. But yeah, as you can see in that picture, my eyebrows used to be super filled in. I used to really go ham with them because I used to use the Dip Brow by Anastasia, and I had like absolutely no control. So yeah, I got my Starbucks. I know I have a Dunkin' straw, don't mind that, but I have my Starbucks here, and let's get started. By the way, I get a venti iced chai latte with 1 pump of vanilla and soy. I get a lot of different drinks from Starbucks, but this one I like to drink when I don't really necessarily want coffee, but I want something that tastes good and it's kind of refreshing all in one. Definitely recommend it. If you try it, let me know. But let's get started because I'm rambling. So I think that for my initial look, I used my Too Faced Semi-Sweet chocolate bar, and it looks like this. It is beat up. I had it for so long, but I think that this is the palette that I used to create that look back then. But now you guys know I have a new favorite palette. Actually, I will always love my chocolate bar, but I'm gonna use the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette to recreate that because it has a lot of the colors and shades that I think I'm gonna use. I use just neutral shades. I'm gonna take this shade in my crease. So if I'm being honest, you guys, I feel like overall I fell a little out of love with makeup, and ouch, that hurts. I haven't been inspired for so long to create makeup looks, and I just feel like I don't actually really want to, and that's why you've seen in the past couple of videos I'm like not wearing makeup and stuff, because I feel like I just feel like everything kind of changed for me. I feel like I want to just embrace more just chill natural looks and only really wear makeup when I have my shoots and stuff. So I'm trying to find that love again for makeup, and I just decided to go back to a time when I was really driven and inspired and like by makeup, that is, and go back and probably recreate, and hopefully that'll like spark something up for inspiration as far as makeup goes. I have been doing like makeup tutorials on my channel, obviously here and there, and it just hasn't been feeling like, ooh, I want to create a dope makeup look today and blah blah blah. Like on most days I really just don't wear makeup, and I haven't really been itching to put makeup on like that. So I'm trying to rekindle that fire, and yeah, hopefully I do my past self justice and inspire my future self. Okay, so next I'm gonna go back into my crease, but I'm gonna use a deeper color, and I'm gonna use this shade right here. And I'm just gonna take a blending brush with nothing on it and just kind of blend that out. Well, blend that out. Okay, so I feel like what I'm going for here is a little bit more warm than what I did in the picture, because if you can see here, it's a little bit more of a cooler tone, and it's also, oh, and don't mind my nails, I just took off some press-ons so they look real crazy right now, but it's like darker and it's like a cooler tone brown. But I'm gonna try this brown and see what that gives me. And I'm gonna try a tapered brush for that because I do need it to be a little bit more concentrated. You guys, for looks like this, like that require a lot of intensity, like in some parts, actually for a lot of for all eyeshadow looks, if you're using a lot of eyeshadows, you definitely want to always go back with a clean blending brush. Like it doesn't have to have any extra product, but definitely, especially around the edges, make sure to go back with a blending brush, and that'll help your blending by a landslide. In the past I didn't really do that much, and if you go back to my videos, my lines used to be so harsh, especially out here, and sometimes I still struggle with that actually, because blending, I just get so lazy with it that I'm like, actually I'm gonna go in with this brown right here. I think this is like the darkest brown, and then this is black, and I'm just gonna try to really define my crease a little bit more. All I do is grind and pray. All right, I think that's a good base. If I have to darken or anything some more, I'll do that after I'm done with the rest of the eyeshadow look. I'm gonna take my medium shade concealer from my Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot. The edge doesn't, like, I don't really care about the edge because I can easily just blend that in with my fingers, and then I'm gonna just blend all of that anyway. So I usually don't care unless I'm trying to make all the way like a super cut crease, but I'm not. I'm gonna use the first shade in my Jaclyn Hill palette, which is this one here. I feel like this is already taking me back. Oh my gosh. So now I am just, I'm gonna come back to that lid and pack on some more shadow probably later, but right now it looks pretty good. I'm just gonna go back in and fix up my crease around it and make sure to blend. So I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone really quick. Back then I used to always do for the most part, I used to always do a winged liner when I did my makeup. These days, I'm not too much of a fan of a winged liner anymore, but obviously for the sake of this look. I didn't wear like thick lashes or like crazy lashes back then, and most of my lashes were drugstore. So these are in the style Ritzy and they're natural black. So I'm just gonna apply my mascara, apply my lashes, and I'll be right back. Okay you guys, so my lashes are on, my mascara is on, and all of that. I touched up my liner a little bit, and now I'm moving on to face. Nothing too crazy or anything with my face, my skin. I used to pile on makeup, and so in that picture I actually had a bunch of heavy creams and stuff. I'm just gonna do the same old. I'm gonna show you which products I'm using and everything. Most of my face products are actually drugstore, so that's a plus. I'm just gonna let you guys watch. I'm not gonna talk through my face makeup, and I hope you enjoy. Okay, and also I did have a liner in my waterline, so I'm just gonna apply some liner in there. And lastly, I'm gonna touch up my top and bottom lashes with mascara. So I'm just gonna take the ABH Starlight Illuminator and I'm gonna highlight the inner corners. And I'm actually just gonna spray my face a little bit. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight a little bit with the Starlight Illuminator. It might be a little too light for my skin. I've used it though. I just try not to go overboard with it because it is a little bit too light for my skin, or a lot of it light for my skin. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that on my nose. Okay, and now for the star of the show is that really nice purple, palish purple lip color. So honestly, I think that I use this lipstick by NYX Cosmetics, and it is in Power Puissance, and it looks like this. So this is, I'm almost 100% sure that this is a lipstick that I've used, and this is gonna take me way back because at one point I was obsessed with this lipstick, this shade and everything. I'm just going to line my lips a little bit, and I'm gonna line it with the Carly Bible El Maquillage lip liner in Luna. And now let's go in for it. I'm excited. I am going to go do my hair. Obviously, this was when I was still straightening my hair like a lot, so I don't straighten my hair like that anymore. So I'm gonna go get these curls right, and I'll be back with the final look. Okay, you guys, I am back, and this is the final look. I just refreshed my hair a little bit. I split my hair on the side, as I did in this picture as well, as I did in my picture as well. A hairstyle that I used to love, and I actually still do love. My mom used to always do this hairstyle on me, and it's the hairstyle that I have in this picture. I used to, actually I can make that a video if you guys want, but I used to just, well, my mom used to like split it and like the side, or she used to do middle parts as well, and then just comb like the front pieces down and then tie it under, and then just leave the rest of the hair out. So that's the hairstyle that I actually have in this picture. I could have done it with my curly hair as well. Actually, when I was younger, I used to have my hair like just curly and like big, but I just didn't feel like combing down my curls right now. Like, I'm trying to let them be free and wild and all of that. But anyways, that's besides the point. This video is not about hair, it's about the makeup. This is the final look. So it's really cute actually. I know this lip inspiration came from Miss Aaliyah J. She used to always brag about this lip shade from NYX back in the day. And so I remember I got this because of Aaliyah J. And so I know the lip was inspired from her. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys want me to recreate more of my older looks, let me know in the comments down below, because honestly, that'd be really cool. But if you guys want me to recreate some of my older looks that I didn't do a tutorial on YouTube, then let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!